Did you know that you can easily bring back a former version of your file when content has been overwritten or deleted by accident? With the function version history, this is quickly and easily done. You can use the function version history for files which are shared via OneDrive or SharePoint Online. This is also possible for files which are being shared via Teams Chat, where the file is stored on OneDrive, and Teams Channel, where the file is stored in SharePoint Online. But the version history can only be accessed in OneDrive and SharePoint Online, as Teams does not display the version history. When in SharePoint Online, for example, simply access your file and click on the three dots next to your file. Then select Version History. A short side note: in OneDrive, the function version history can be accessed by clicking on the document with the right mouse button. Once you clicked on version history, you will find all versions of your file from the date when the file has been created until the most recent change. It does not matter if you have been working with the file on your own or you have collaborated in the file with colleagues. All changes will be saved as dedicated versions. To bring back a former version of your file, click on the dedicated version and select Restore. Your file will be updated to the former version you have selected. That's it for now. Thanks a lot for listening and check out this great feature.
Giving shape to ideas. Konica Minolta.